bitch, you like to get geek. And that Molly turn you to a freak. And you know that I'm smoking no G. Try to run at that chopper on me. So you never try run up on me. Or never try to get one up on me. I fight a little bitch in sleep. She pop a perk no G. G.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming how I edit on my phone, because I feel like a lot of YouTubers now are shooting on their phone, and you know, why not just say what I use? So yeah, keep watching. Okay, so basically, like, the first app that I use is iMovie. Pretty sure everyone uses that, but I use iMovie just to like put my clips together, because it's simple and it's really easy to use. I like it. I've been using it since like 6 years ago, so I really like it. Personally, I like to use iMovie on my phone than on my MacBook, because I don't know, it's just like takes way longer on your MacBook, but that's just me. And the next app that I use is called Photo Video. I think I did that right. Yeah, I think it's what it's called, Photo Video. And it's like where you can add like green screens and stuff in it. Obviously, like, I'm gonna show you guys like how to use it like right there and stuff. But like you can add like green screens, and it's just like a more advanced thing than iMovie. It's free, by the way. But it's like more advanced than iMovie, and you can add green screens, cool text. There's not really a lot of transitions that you can use, but yeah, it's just like the next step up. And then how I like get my music is sometimes I'll screen record it, or I use this one app called Televisor, or I'll use Documents. So that's how I get my music. So, and all of it is free, like none of these apps like cost money or nothing. Okay, there's like something floating in it, it's like creeping me out, but obviously I'll have pictures of the apps right here. So, yeah. And then like how I make my thumbnails and stuff is I use Poto, and I have all these cool fonts, and you can download fonts as well. Like, it's just like really self-explanatory. Like, you don't need like a visual, and if you do, then look one up on YouTube. I just use Poto. Well, I use, oh wait, dang it. Okay, well, how I make like the collage ones is I use Poto, and then you can just put as many colors as you want there. If I want to do a cutout, I use Eraser or PixArt, and you just put it on there. And if I want to add text to my thumbnails, then I use Fonto, or Fonto, that's what it's called. I use Fonto, and it works great. Like, you can have all these like cool, trendy YouTuber text, or your own YouTuber text, and it's a really good app. I really recommend it if you want to make your thumbnails and stuff. Or sometimes if I want to get the right dimension to a thumbnail, I'll use the app PicMonkey. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have heard of that from like bigger YouTubers. Not me, because yeah, almost to 60 subscribers though. So hey, I'm literally sitting on this chair, and I'm like not even sitting down early because you wouldn't be able to see my face. So there's that. But if I want to get like the right dimensions, then I use PicMonkey, and that's basically that. But like literally all of the apps that I use to edit my videos, personally I don't really use like anything else. So yeah, there's really nothing else to say that I use. I don't use like Video Star, none of that. I used to back in the day. I used to use the VideoX Live, and I used to use that like a long time ago, like 3 or 4 years ago. I used to use that. But those are all the apps that I use to edit my videos. So yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe with your friends. If you're new, and I will my social media down in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.